I hear thunder in the hallway, lightning in my veins. Everybody says it passes, but it always stays the same. I keep praying to the ceiling, like it's listening tonight. But the silence hits like whiskey, burning holes behind my eyes. And I've been running from the flood, but the flood lives inside me. Somebody save me before I drown again. I've been carrying this storm like a weight beneath my skin. Have you ever seen the rain fall inside somebody's soul? 'Cause I've been sinking for so long, I don't know how to let go. How to let go. Every road leads to nowhere, every bottle leaves me dry. I wear pain like black denim and hide truth behind my smile.